Wait, stop for a second. Imagine this. You are very hungry. You walk into a restaurant. Everyone is speaking English. The waiter looks at you and says, "How can I help you?" And your mind goes blank. What do you say?
Oh no, that is scary.
Exactly. Have you ever felt like that, John?
Yes, many times. I feel confident at home, but in a real restaurant, my brain stops working.
That happens to many people. But today, we are going to fix that.
Yes, today we will make restaurant English easy. Very simple, very clear.
And by the end of this episode, you will know exactly what to say from the moment you open the door until you leave the restaurant.
That sounds perfect.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Habit Podcasts, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm John. And today I am very hungry.
Already?
Yes, I am thinking about food. A big burger, crispy fries, a cold soda.
Stop, John. Now I'm hungry too.
Sorry, but that gives us the perfect topic.
Exactly. Today, we are talking about English conversation at a restaurant. But before we start, if you want to speak English confidently in real life, please subscribe to our channel.
And give this video a like if you love food.
And stay until the end because we will do a full role play from start to finish.
Yes, you can practice with us.
Okay, John, you are outside the restaurant. You are hungry. What is the first thing you do?
I open the door.
Good start. You go inside. You see a person near the door. Who is that person?
Is that the waiter?
Sometimes yes. Sometimes it is the host.
Host?
Yes, the host is the person who shows you to your table.
Ah, okay.
So you smile, very important. You smile and say, "Hello."
Perfect. Simple. Just hello or hi.
Do I need something long like, "Good evening, sir. I would like to request..." No. Keep it simple. Just say, "Hello." Now you need a table. What do you say?
I want a table.
That is understandable, but we can say it more politely. Say, "A table for two, please."
A table for two, please.
Yes. If you are alone,
A table for one, please.
perfect. If you are with three people,
A table for three, please.
exactly. Very easy. John, do you know something important?
What?
You do not need difficult grammar. Short sentences are okay.
That makes me feel better.
Restaurant English is about being clear and polite, not about being perfect.
I like that.
Okay, the host will say, "This way, please," or "Follow me, please."
And I just follow them?
Yes, no need to speak much here. Then you sit down. Okay, John, you are sitting at the table. What do you need first?
Food.
Before food.
The menu.
Yes, the menu. Sometimes the waiter gives it to you, but if not, you can ask. Say, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Can I have the menu, please?
Very good. That sounds natural. Now you open the menu. You see different sections: starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
What is a starter?
A starter is small food before the main meal, like soup or a small salad.
I like tomato soup.
Good choice. Main course is the big meal: chicken, fish, pasta, burger,
Yes, burger.
and dessert.
Sweet food, like cake or ice cream.
Perfect. Everyone listening right now, quick question. What is your favorite main course? Burger? Pizza? Pasta? Think about it.
And write it in the comments later.
Okay, John. The waiter comes, he smiles, he says, "Are you ready to order?" What do you say?
Yes, I am.
Perfect. If you need more time,
Just a minute, please.
very good. Okay, John. You have the menu. You looked at it carefully. You are very hungry. The waiter comes back and says, "Are you ready to order?" What do you say?
Yes, I am ready.
Good. Now comes the important part. How do you order politely?
I say, I want a burger.
That is okay. People will understand you. But there is a more polite way. Say, "I would like."
I would like.
Yes. For example, "I would like the chicken, please."
I would like the burger, please.
Perfect. That sounds very natural. "I would like" sounds more polite than "I want."
Yes, I want sounds strong.
Exactly. In a restaurant, we try to sound friendly and calm. There is another very common phrase. "I'll have."
I'll have?
Yes, it means "I will have." For example, "I'll have the pasta, please."
Oh, I like that. It sounds easy.
It is very common in real life. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Very good. And for your main course?
I'll have the burger, please.
Excellent choice.
I always choose burger.
I know. Now the waiter asks, "Would you like something to drink?" What do you say?
I would like a soda, please.
Perfect. Or you can say, "I'll have a glass of water." "I'll have a coffee." "I'll have some juice."
What if I only want water?
You can say, "Just water, please."
Simple.
After you order, the waiter often repeats your order. For example, "So that's one tomato soup, one burger, and one soda?"
Why do they repeat it?
To make sure it is correct.
Ah, good idea.
And you just say, "Yes, that's right." Or, "Yes, that's correct."
And then I say thank you.
Always.
John, I have a question.
Yes?
Sometimes my voice is not strong.
That's okay. Speak slowly. You can pause. For example, "I would like the chicken, please."
So it is okay to speak slowly?
Yes, slow English is clear English.
That makes me feel better.
Now imagine this. You are sitting, you are waiting, you smell the food.
Now I'm really hungry.
The waiter brings your food and says, "Enjoy your meal." What do you say?
Thank you.
Perfect. Short, simple, natural. After a few minutes, the waiter comes back and asks, "Is everything okay?"
If it is good, I say, yes, it's delicious.
Very good. Or, "Yes, everything is great. Thank you."
And if something is not good?
Good question. You can say politely, "Excuse me, I think there is a small problem." But don't worry. Most of the time, everything is fine.
I hope so. I just want my burger.
Of course. What if you need more water?
I say, excuse me.
Yes, very important. Then say, "Can I have some more water, please?"
Can I have some more water, please?
Perfect. You can also say, "Can I have another soda, please?" "Can I have some more bread, please?"
It is always, can I have?
Yes, very useful sentence. Today, we practiced I would like, I'll have, would you like something to drink? Yes, that's right. Enjoy your meal. Is everything okay? Can I have some more?
I feel more confident already.
Good, but we are not finished yet. Next, dessert and paying the bill.
Ah, yes, dessert.
And that is my favorite part. Okay, John, you finished your burger. How do you feel?
Full. Very full. But maybe just a little space for dessert?
There is always space for dessert. The waiter comes and takes your empty plate. Then he asks, would you like to see the dessert menu? What do you say?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Short, natural. The waiter brings the dessert menu. You look at it. You see chocolate cake, your favorite.
Yes, I want it.
Say it politely.
I would like the chocolate cake, please.
Excellent. Or you can say, I'll have the chocolate cake.
I like that one.
Sometimes people order coffee or tea with dessert. The waiter may ask, would you like coffee or tea?
I'll have a coffee, please.
Perfect. Very natural English. John, listen carefully. Many learners are afraid to speak in restaurants. Why?
Because they think they will make mistakes.
Yes, but here's the truth. Restaurant English is simple. It is short sentences, no long grammar, just I would like, can I have, the bill, please.
That makes it easier.
Exactly. Now imagine, you finished dessert, you are very full, you are happy. Now it is time to pay. What do you say?
Excuse me,
Good. Then?
can I have the bill, please?
Perfect. In some countries, people say, can I have the check, please? Both are correct.
Bill or check, both are okay.
Yes. The waiter brings the bill. You look at it. Everything is correct. Now you want to pay with card. What can you say?
Can I pay by card?
Excellent. Or, do you take credit cards?
Very useful sentence.
If you pay with cash, you give the money and say, here you are.
Here you are.
Very natural English. The waiter says, thank you. Then you say, thank you. And maybe, goodbye. Before you leave, you can say, thank you. The food was great.
That sounds polite.
Yes, politeness makes everything easier. Let's do everything one more time. I am the waiter. You are the customer. Hello, welcome. A table for how many?
A table for one, please.
This way, please. Here is your table.
Thank you.
Here is the menu. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. Anything to drink?
I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. I'll be right back. Food arrives. Here is your chicken. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you.
Later. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
I'll have the chocolate cake, please.
Later.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Can I pay by card?
Yes.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day. John, how do you feel now?
Much more confident.
That's the goal. Remember, speak slowly, use please and thank you, keep sentences short, smile.
Smile is important.
Yes, a smile works in every language. So, everyone listening, next time you go to a restaurant, don't be afraid. Just say, "Hello, a table for two, please."
And then enjoy your meal.
Exactly. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.